Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swethha's Book of Recipes. Today's recipe is one of the most loved finger food by kids and adults, crispy French fries. Let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to use large potatoes. It's nicely washed. Start peeling it evenly and remove all the black marks on the potatoes. Now the potato looks completely perfect. Let's start cutting it. Remove the top and the bottom edge to get the perfect size and shape. Cut the potatoes vertically into slices which is 1 centimeter. Do the same for the other potatoes also. Stack it up like this and cut it into long strips. This is the perfect size for a French fries. Take some fresh cold water in a bowl. Put them in the water. Once these are completely dipped in cold water, wash them for 15 minutes to remove the excess starch. Now, this is to be transferred to a kitchen cloth. This step is to make the French fries crispy from outside and soft inside. Pat dry it carefully with a cloth. Make sure you don't break down. Once they are completely patted dry, let's start frying it. Add enough oil on a wok and set them for frying on medium flame. Once the oil is heated up, let's start blanching. Start frying one portion at a time. Do not add more than 15 pieces at a time. Do not fry them more than 1 minute. Make sure the color doesn't change. Transfer them to an absorbent paper. Let it cool down for a while. Fry them again in a medium until it's crisp and golden brown in color. To get an even colored French fries, keep stirring it. Make sure you keep the flame on medium-high. Now the fries are crispy and perfect in color. This is the right time we can remove it from the oil. Let's start preparing the spice mix. In a bowl, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala and half teaspoon salt. Give it a quick mix. While the fries are warm, transfer them to a bowl. This is the right time to add the seasonings. Quickly give them a mix. Make sure the seasonings are evenly coated on the fries. If needed, add little more of spices and mix them. Absolutely crispy homemade French fries is ready to be served. Do try this recipe out and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Serve it hot with some ketchup. See you guys in my next video. Take care, bye bye.